Welcome to FRANZON'S BBQ. Hello, what's up, Taste Friends? Daisy here, and welcome back to my channel. So today, guys, we're here at FRANZON'S BBQ. So they're located here in Sitio Bagong Silingan, Mactan, Lapu-Lapu City. Karon, guys, kay nibalik jud ko dire sa ilang reopening kay nag-improve man sila sa ilang resto, guys. So mo ni siya ilang new sitting area here, and katong sa una, guys, kay nanin sila kuan rooftop dito. But since di ba karon kay ting-ulan, na-option ang tao na makalingkod na comfortable. They've improved their menu and nasa sila yung mga bago na staff. Ilang mga staff diri kay mga scholars and mga family rajud ni sila. So mo ni sila. Hi guys. Nag-follow gud sila sa protocol. So they will check your temperature. So kami kay nakasuwat nami sa mong names and mag-alcohol. And welcome to FRANZON'S BBQ.
Welcome Daisy from Riot Vlog Squad. Thank you so much for coming here in FRANZON'S BBQ. Please support and follow the page.
Hey friends, nasa diri si Orly. Hi. And Queen. Hi. My friends from BYC and Riot Vlog Squad. Kaya wala man rin ang upa na Riot Vlog Squad. So yeah, kami na lang sa... So guys, we're still waiting for some food. Not only sila yung live band there, guys. That's every Sunday. Yes guys, every weekend. So nice kayo diri tambayan diri sa FRANZON'S BBQ. Lami kayo lang mga pagkaon ba yan. Nakatilaw na ko before and karon kay kaon na sad ko sila. Mian kayo na pork barbecue and other food. So yes guys. Dinner with Orly and Queen.
Sa atong second set guys, pwede na kayo mag-request or butcham.
So we're about to eat now guys, and muna siya mong food. We have pork barbecue. Guys, nakatilaw na dyan ko before ani dire kay before nakakaon naman ko dire sa FRANZON'S BBQ, and I can say na lami good kay lang timpla sa ilahang barbecue. And di ba ikaw sa
best seller
kay kanang timpla niya guys kay sud jud ba like gitarong jud nila marinate, and it's only 20 pesos guys. See? And then they also have tinai kanang
isaw.
Oh, isaw, intestine, and then yes, muna siya. Napansin nila ng mga food guys. Nasad ni calamares. So yes, let's eat. Manami og pray actually ganina. So yeah, kaon na ta guys. Si Ma'am Connie, ang mama ni Ma'am Jeanine. Hi Ma'am Connie. Congratulations sa inyong reopening, Ma'am Connie. So, ilang location kayo na diri sa
Mactan, Bagong Silingan.
Mactan, Bagong Silingan, guys. So, ang landmark niya kay Mactan National High School, Iskina, and then sakay lang din mo tricycle. So, they also have Food Panda, and unsa pa ganit, Ma'am?
Food Panda lang.
Maura. So, muna siya guys, Food Panda. They are available sa Food Panda. You can order through online kung if you want to just order and magpa-deliver lang mo if you don't want to go out. So yes, so come and visit FRANZON'S BBQ here in Bagong Silingan, Mactan, Lapu-Lapu City. And then affordable rasad kayo ilang mga pagkaon diri. Dili rasad mo maka-jam diri guys. Nadiri ang mga customers from Food Panda. Hi!
Hello!
Guys, padong may sa ilang rooftop guys kay para mapakita na ko sa inyo ha ang rooftop. Nasa sila space sa igbaw. Alright guys friends, we're here at the rooftop of Franzon's. So, muna siya ilahang rooftop area there guys. Naka option na mo dine-in dito or na dire mag-dine-in ka dire sa rooftop. Although, kung na jud kay siya, hangak lang jud siya kay kumuari ka dire hangak kay siya kay taas kayo siya. Pero worth it naman sa ang view, especially during sunset. Nice gani siya dire for sunset. So yes guys, na dire mga picture ka. So yes, na sila pako dire oh. Yeah. Na si Queen. Like, kung sa man yung masulti sa ilang food dire sa Franzon's BBQ.
It's amazing. It's amazing.
Wow.
It's
And
delicious. The view is amazing.
Oh. Thank you kay sa imong contribution sa akong vlog, sir. Nagpalayo lagi to siya. Ano man, mems? Thank you, guys. Before I will end my vlog, so I'm inviting you to come visit Franzon's BBQ here at Bagong Silingan, Mactan, Lapu-Lapu City. They are open every day, every 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. And then you can also follow their Facebook page. That's Franzon'S BBQ. So that would be all guys. I will end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also guys, please make sure to follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is at iamdaysee and my Facebook page is Daisy. And also my TikTok, that's at iamdaysee. So yeah, mura to siya guys. Thank you so much for watching, Daisy friends. Bye! Thank you for coming to Franzon'S BBQ.